Introducing STUD Clean, the only all-in-one hub and stud cleaning tool on the market. STUD Clean firmly connects to a standard impact wrench, providing the fastest and safest cleaning solution for your tire changing process. Guaranteed. The face of the tool removes rust and contaminants in seconds, providing a smooth, clean surface for reassembly of all mating parts. At the same time, stainless steel tines effectively clean the threaded studs, assuring easy and accurate torquing of lug nuts. STUD Clean also removes contaminants from the back of the rim. Our abrasive material is significantly longer lasting than any competing product. STUD Clean, put us to the test and we'll prove to be best.